We are here today in the heart of the city and about to tour 6,000 square feet of the Art Mansion. It is 6 floors, 9 levels, has 6 outdoor spaces, a 3-car garage, an ADU with additional living quarters in the back. We have so much to show you today, and you will not believe what is in the basement.
Here we go!
This townhome was built in 2007, and when it was built, everything was thought of, from the stuck stone outside to what you're about to see inside. It actually won an award from the American Institute of Architecture, as well as Westward's Denver Infill Project of the Year. Welcome to the Art Mansion. This is your amazing hallway as you enter your guest in. And what's the most spectacular piece about this home is the stairwell. It is part of the architectural award-winning features of this home. And you can see it goes up all the way, 9.5 levels, 6 floors. So I have on fabulous shoes today and we're not walking all those stairs. I'm gonna take the elevator. I will see you guys at the top. Where have you guys been? So now we are on the 6th floor, and the most incredible part about this place is the natural light. So we have a skylight here and it just beams light all the way down to the basement. All right, first things first, let's check out this rooftop deck. So it's winter today, but in springtime, this is your garden oasis in the city. You have vines for blueberries and strawberries, gardens for all of your summer salads, and of course, the views are pretty good year-round of the Rocky Mountains, the city lights, and it's Denver, so of course you can also see a few cranes building those buildings. So across from your elevator on the 6th floor is yet another outdoor entertaining space. Check out the views from this side. So from this rooftop deck, you can easily entertain 10 to 12 people under the city stars. You have a fire pit here. What else could you ask for? Living in the city, you are kings and queens. So here we are on the primary level. The owners get this entire level to enjoy. You don't even have to go downstairs to get a cup of coffee. You can make it on your way out to another beautiful deck and enjoy these views. Here we are in the primary bedroom. Every entrance here has grand exposure to art, has beautiful wood floors, and the floor plan is spacious. So here we are, beautiful windows, beautiful natural light, 9-foot ceilings. You could wake up and say, "Hello, Denver," from this bed. There. This soaking tub is incredible. It is extra deep and extra long. I could be in here all day. addition to the amazing architectural features of this home, they've thought through some of the finer finishes as well. Check out this incredible flooring. The owners have imported this from a chateau in Switzerland. This spacious room can be used for anything. We have a treadmill, we have an ensuite bathroom, you could have your guests stay here, this could be your private office or entertaining space. I couldn't help myself. This library is so cozy and inspiring. I just can't believe all of the art in this place. I could be here all day reading. Okay, so if you could just give me like 5 more minutes, I just want to finish reading a little bit. This is dining in style. How many people have their own floor to eat dinner on? You have amazing high ceilings, a 24-foot drop down to the floor below, natural light beaming from different angles. These walls just beg for beautiful art to be put on them. This place is incredible, and the sellers have done such an amazing job putting it together and complementing the architecture of the space. I almost feel like that time in Ferris Bueller where you just kind of is everywhere. This home is stunning. And now to the heart of the home, this kitchen. We have a beautiful center island with incredible stone, luxury appliances, woof, gas stove. You could entertain for hours in here. Not to mention the incredible views outside. Now into this beautiful living room with a soaring 18-foot ceiling. I mean, check out this beautiful art they have on the wall. So, surprise alert, these sellers are artists, architects, and sculptors. So a lot of the work you see in here is actually their work. It is an incredible experience, not to be missed. From the main home, you have another amazing opportunity to house guests, have a work from home office. You could even do an Airbnb if you wanted a house hack and even get a little rental income. So through your patio is your next home. So here is your Airbnb house hack. Nanny's quarters, work from home space, you name it, it's your flex space. It is an essential part of living in the city that you don't get normally. And now what we've been waiting for, this is the basement, and it is an art studio. It will make you feel so creative and inspired. Come check it out. This studio has been custom built to be an art studio. But if you're not an artist, you have a wet bar and plenty of room to make it into your hobbies, your work from home, a movie theater, and yet again, another amazing outdoor space. This is a private patio right outside the bottom floor. This home is so grand. You can't even put this into words. I mean, we make great videos, but you have to see this one in person. Come by to downtown Denver, take you to lunch, go to dinner, enjoy the city, and come by for this tour.